Hey guys, it's Ed again. Well, guess what we got into today? Besides cleaning the garage, which I did a little bit, I figured I'd drag this Polaris in here and see what's going on. So basically, what I've come up with in the 5 minutes I've worked on it is we've got spark, we don't have fuel, and of course this is EFI, so there's a cool little computer brain up here that looks like could be fun to play with. And but I did put a little squirt in the cylinders, and we got spark and we had fire. So I don't want to go too far into this, knowing that I got fire, knowing that it's got compression enough to fire. That's all good. I'm good with that. We just got to get the fuel pump to work, and I think that'll pressurize the system. And once the system is pressurized, if we can get the injectors to fire at the proper timing, which who knows, there's a ton of wires in here, we should be able to get it running. So let's see if we can get the Airbox out of here, because I have a feeling that there's probably a mouse nest in it. So we're going to take these clips off. There's a bunch of them. Some of them are easier to get to than others, but get that one out of there. Probably one in the back that I can't see. I can see there's one here. I don't even know how you get that one out of there. I got it off, but I don't know how I'm going to get it back on. And it went flying. And there's one in the back that you can't get to either, right there. Oh, there's two, of course. Yeah. You don't want this airbox to fly off or anything. I mean, come on. I don't know. Okay. So that's out of there. Got a little element in here. Mouse turds. Not too bad. Not too mousy. Some pine needles. Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of crud in there. Pieces of foam. Not a ton though. Not as much as I expected to see. It looks like there's a bolt here, maybe a bolt over here, and then there's probably something that rubber seals that to the, so they feel like Phillips heads. Maybe. I got a Phillips head screwdriver. Can't see them. Well, they're turning, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, they're doing something. There's a lot of room to work in here. Like I said, I'm not too up on this fuel injection stuff on a sled, but I'm not even sure how you get into that one. You almost have to take the belt cover off. I think we'll, guys over here, I think we got to take the belt cover off and see if we can get into it over here. Looks like there might be two screws on this side. Okay. can deal with that. Just enough to clear the clutch. Okay. Now we got to get them off these carbs. Okay. That's some kind of sensor over here. I wonder if we can just unplug it. What do you think about that idea? I hate unplugging sensors because, do you know why? Because they never, the clips always break on them because I never can figure out. That actually makes sense right there. Well, that made sense, but it didn't pull out of anything. So I'm not sure how. It comes apart. I think we just take off those two screws and leave it together. I think that's a better plan. It's got to be a mass airflow sensor or something. It's got like a little filament in it like a mass airflow does, so. Okay. There. That's out of there. Now we can clean that out. And look for the fuel pump. Well, I think I found a fuel filter, maybe. Maybe it's a fuel pump. I don't know what it is. Does it have wires going to it? No, no wires going to it. It's coming out of the fuel tank. Show you what we got. You guys see that white thing right there, the round thing? Right there. Not that. Right there, that thing. What do you think about that thing right there? That looks like a fuel pump, don't it? It's round. It's got a wire going to it, or two. I think that might be the fuel pump. I think if we put some voltage to that, it should make some noise. What do you think? Let's try that. I'll get you guys set up in a different position maybe. I'm not sure where, but we'll figure it out. I have got the clip unhooked, you guys can see, and I've got one wire plugged on, both red wires to make it more confusing, but I can handle it. The one with the clip is just clipped onto the positive side of it, and I got that hooked onto my jumper cable, which is hooked onto a 12-volt battery, which is charged up, and we have the other end of the yellow one here. We touch that to ground. Oh, you guys hear that? It's trying. It does have some gas in it. So that's working. Okay, the pump works. That's a good sign. Hope you guys heard that. Now we're to I don't know if the pump has to stay on consistently, you know, like all the time, or, you know, a constant stream to pressurize it. You would think in a car it stays on all the time. You know, in a fuel injected car, so maybe the pump stays on all the time. Let's see here. Maybe we can put the, and it would have to sense something in rotation to know when to fire. So I think I'm just going to try plugging that pump in, kind of hot wiring it over here, and then yanking the string a couple. Let's get this pump turning. It's turning. Give it a pull. Nothing. You can't tell if it's getting fuel. Now I open the throttles. Give it a little squirt down the holes and see what happens. We can get a little in there. Maybe it needs a little priming. My jug's a little big. Got big jugs, guys. Look at that. Perfect. Think I got enough gas in it? Kind of kicks on, I don't know. Nothing. But I don't know how much got in there. Well, I know it's got fuel in it. Sounds like it's sucking something up. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Let's keep thinking here. Okay, guys, I'm kind of out of thoughts. Not sure where to even start, you know. I mean, when they have spark, you know, and they'll run with fuel in the car or in the head, doesn't even make me want to even dig into that mess, you know. Makes you want to just strap a couple carbs on it, hook up the fuel line, and call it done. But maybe some of you guys out there watching this video might have a little more knowledge on this and fuel injection crap. I think there's a lot of sensors and things that you would need to have all in, you know, the correct place, you know, to get it to run correctly. Or if you put carburetors on it, it does have spark, so it's getting spark from somewhere. So maybe it doesn't use this crazy box for any of that crap. But let me know what you guys think, and we'll continue on there. I'll do some research, see what I can learn about this thing. And thanks for watching, subscribing, and commenting, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.